Do you know what you'll discover inside Bristol Township's public schools? Engaging classrooms, devoted teachers, and opportunities that transform children into lifelong learners. Supported by our staff, administrators, and community members, students can turn their dreams into a reality. Bristol Township School District offers a well-rounded learning experience that other schools can't match.
Inside our state-of-the-art elementary school's responsive classroom instruction creates a positive atmosphere. Students develop strong social and academic skills from day one. Through the school-wide positive behavioral interventions and support program, students respect each other and make lifelong friends. Music, art, student council, nature, you name it. Your child's passions and interests are met here. K-5 students can also participate in the 21st Century Dynamic After-School Program.
Inside both of Bristol Township's middle schools, you will find innovative technology labs where students can brainstorm forward-thinking ideas and put them into action.
If any students or staff need technology support, look no further than the student-led tech teams known as Tiger Techs.
Each year, Tiger Techs lead Hour of Code, a global coding event that introduces students to computer science.
Our middle school students join together at Harry S. Truman High School, where they learn there are no limits or boundaries to their success as they prepare for post-graduation life. With AP and dual enrollment course offerings, many students jumpstart on their college credits. Bristol Township offers numerous outlets for learners to express their individuality as well as work on a team. We take pride in our victorious athletic teams. Our award-winning theater program produces top talent. Even our extracurricular clubs win statewide and national competitions.
Looking for a fully virtual option? Look no further than Bristol Township Cyber Academy, where your child has all the benefits of being a Bristol Township student. This includes access to extracurricular activities, sports, field trips, resources and supports, and the coveted Bristol Township School District Diploma upon graduation. New and returning students are always welcome in Bristol Township School District. We can't wait to see you there.